McLaren Falls is at the merging of the Mangapapa and the Mangakarengarengo streams, which, below the falls, becomes the Wairau River.
No jumping or diving or bombs off the bridge.
McLaren Falls has multiple cascades. Normally there is 1 cubic metre per second of water trickling from the Mangakarengarengo side and the Mangapapa side is dry, but 26 days of the year, 14 cubic metres per second is released from the McLaren Falls Dam.
So grab your kayaks! It looks beautiful! This was a really fun experience to see this, and I'm really excited to see what we're going to do next.
There has been a lot of rain lately, and in the raining season the waterfall looks stunning. In summer, lots of people swim at the base of these waterfalls.
Let's check out Pine Oak Flat. I want to pet the sheep.
McLaren Falls Park is 190 hectares of pastoral and horticultural parkland alongside Lake McLaren. This park is popular for camping, fishing, kayaking, picnics, bushwalks and much more. It has one of the best botanic collections of trees in New Zealand's North Island.
According to statistics, there is 6 sheep to every 1 person in New Zealand.
Oh no, Mr. Mud has stepped in sheep dropping. Let's go, guys!
On the waterfall track at this park you can check out glowworms after dusk. We will have to check out this one day. Sounds cool.
Bye guys! I hope you liked this video. Like and subscribe. If you want to see more videos like this, bye Munch Crew!
Click the computer screen to watch our previous Munch Monday video, or click the question mark to watch a mystery video. Explore, take a bite of life. Thanks for watching our McLaren Falls New Zealand video.